across this bay, and then we're gonna turn and go directly downwind, and it's gonna take us right to this party island.
We're on our way to this island. What if we don't like the neighbors over here? Or the bugs get too bad. And he said, we'll just pick up our house and move it.
It's like a turtle.
We're moving super slow right now, but
yes, we're not going as fast as the wind, so
yeah, 'cause it's a hot day today.
going with the wind, and it's been wonderful.
Oh, but we are in no hurry.
Yeah.
We're hanging out, relaxing. We are pretty much dead downwind right now. Yeah, big waves. Yeah, it's coming in now.
What a wonderful sail this has been. It's been perfect. Road trip. Set the boat up. Now we're sailing.
Yep.
It feels great. Ah. We're going right to this party island. We're almost there. Which way, first mate? Starboard a little bit or straight? Gaggle of boats over here.
Let's see if we can see it.
Never did put floaties on this thing.
No, I gotta do that.
Let's do it. Looks like the beach is outstanding up there. So we should probably anchor as close as we can.
We still have to get our keel up.
Yeah, we still gotta go way back that way.
Yeah, we got a long ways to go.
That'll be tomorrow.
Furling the head sail. Getting ready to go beach the old girl. Or at least get it as close as possible to the beach.
You count how many that was?
Nice, I didn't. You can always watch the footage and
That's
count. That scared me.
You still filming?
Yeah. I tried it twice. I forgot it wasn't in neutral.
She thought we were dead in the water.
I thought we were dead in the water.
Hold her up in here and find out what the party's all about.
Here's our island.
Just assessing the situation here. Definitely just drift out and around everybody so I don't get into anybody's anchor. And then nose on up here. But it looks like backing it up to the beach, which is what we typically do, is the way to go. But now we're here. Let's think about dropping anchor. We are going to have to get this back anchor ready. We're here, Ashley.
We're here.
Little party island. A lot of people are actually leaving right now. Damn good day. Awesome day. Look at the storm clouds building up behind you. Well, maybe we should take a walk on the beach. What do you think? Have one more drink and take a walk. Right there, she's swimming against the current, for sure.
I can't, like the current.
The current's serious, yeah.
Save yourself.
We're about to have this whole island to ourselves. Water's just right, isn't it?
It is.
You know it. Or Pine Island is the actual name of the island, but the locals all call it Beer Can Island. Oh, that's right. Beer Can Island, Miami. This is Beer Can Island, Tampa Bay. How about that? Everybody's clearing out, looks like. Yeah.
Oh my God, the Navy got parking. I was like, you're not gonna be able to. Oh, they did.
Oh.
Very good.
Thank you. Just pour me a beer, set the sails. Let's get the hell out of here. Yeah, we could walk around, but let's just go to the front. Look at this. We got it going on. I considered dropping anchor up here, but
It's too rough up here.
it's pretty rough. Look at this. Here, you want to jump in front of this? No, there's no gold, no bright light anywhere inside. Just pour me a beer, set the sails. Let's get the hell out. Good out here. Looks like they're shutting down. We want to become members. Is it possible? How long have we had this place, man?
A year and a half now.
Cheers. Good job, man. Heard good things.
Yeah, it's a great place. It's a great place. The island is 100% private property. We pledge to maintain it always as for public enjoyment because there is no other place to go around here. There are no beaches. There really are no public access beaches over here.
Well, thank you guys for keeping it open and keeping it perfect.
You are welcome.
That's awesome.
I stay here on the island 3 or 4, sometimes 5 nights a week.
Really?
Like, it would be really cool to like set something like that up and just be like, okay, here I am, all by myself. I just want you to see how great it is.
Camp out here for days?
There.
Styling, dude.
That's my space up there. This boat for 2.5 years, because it used to be a boat, like you sail all around over there, people would pull out and then tie up and then hang out.
This used to be a boat.
It still floats. That was our functioning helm station right there.
No way. In case you missed that, this is a boat. It floats. This is a functioning helm station, and that is our boat back there.
Typically close at sunset or start to close down
Sure.
at sunset.
Yeah.
It's a little slow today, so it goes up a couple minutes early.
Yeah.
I never get tired of watching that.
Yeah,
The
that's
freighters go by.
Man, the beer is excellent. I appreciate it. It is good stuff.
Like in December, we lost 7 feet of this side of the island to a big giant storm.
Really?
And it's kind of really cool to watch it slowly replenish itself.
That's pretty awesome.
It's good, so yeah, it's windy and choppy.
Badass.
Yeah.
Sweet. What do you say? Let's go out for a walk on the beach. So they make their own beer here too, somehow.
Crazy.
Rock Brothers Brewing. It is called Beer Can Island Brew. Heart of ground. How do you do that?
The water went out that far?
Back on board. Dinner time.
It's quieting down. Somebody done got themselves hard to ground.